In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your notification history in iPhone. So what you have to do is just scroll up from where you see this time. For me, it has a background color, red background color. So just scroll down from there, and then you'll see all the notifications that you have. iPhone doesn't have a centralized place that they store their notifications in. So this is the only place that you're going to see all your notifications, even the oldest ones, if you haven't opened them yet. If you open up a notification or clear it like this, then it will go away and you will not be able to see it again. However, if you're looking for a notification that comes from a certain app like Instagram or Facebook, then you can actually check those apps themselves for the notifications because they should have it stored somewhere internally. Yeah, that's about it. Those are all the notifications you have here. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.